That's perfect. Oh! No! My phone! And that's how you like your own video. Where bunnies come from? Yeah. Bunny, hi! It worked. Want to see some strange magic? Whoa! There's some clothes I don't put in the laundry just because, like this shirt.
Help me, I'm in the desert and I need water. Like this video in 3, 2, 1. Oh, thank you.
This is how I double my money. Might be illegal. I've got this weird Instagram feed thing going on here. Check it out. Isn't that kind of weird? Want to see the rest of that magic? Go click the link in the bio. Bye. It's kind of hard to see, but if you get it just right, you can... Works every time. Hey, I want to try a little Instagram magic with you. If it works, it'll be pretty cool. So when I count down from 3, I want you to like this video. Ready? 3, 2, 1, like. Did that work?